Hello, my friend. Stop what you are doing. Yes, you. Put down your phone. Oh, wait. Don't put it down, because you are watching me on your phone. Okay, keep the phone, but listen carefully. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Because if you keep them closed, you cannot read this. Now I want to ask you, are you really living, or are you just existing like a potato on the sofa? Everybody wants a good life. Travel the world. Drive a cool car. Have freedom, money, peace, love, respect, happiness, and maybe six-pack abs, even though you only eat pizza. But here is my question. What are you doing today to get all that? Are you still scrolling TikTok for 3 hours watching cats dance? Are you still saying tomorrow, while tomorrow runs away faster than your Wi-Fi bill? Are you still hitting snooze on your alarm like it owes you money? My friend, listen carefully. This is your life. And newsflash, you don't get a second one. Unless you are in a video game, and last time I checked, you are not Mario. Let's begin. Let's laugh. Let's learn. Let's change. Lesson 1. Time is your life. You are not killing time. Time is killing you. Every time you say, I'll do it tomorrow, time is in the corner laughing, haha, got him again. Think about yesterday. What did you do? Ate chips, scrolled Instagram, maybe watched 3 episodes of a show you don't even like. Then you say, why is my life not changing? Well, because Netflix is winning and you are losing. Solution: value your hours like gold. Write a daily plan. Cut 1 hour of social media. Use it to read, learn, or practice English. If you don't, your time will become like that friend who always says, I'll pay you back tomorrow. Spoiler, they never pay. Lesson 2. Stop blaming. Start building. Some people say, I didn't go to a good school. My parents don't support me. I don't have money. I don't have time. I don't have talent. Excuse machine activated. Let me ask you, does crying make you rich? No. Does blaming your neighbor fix your life? No. But it does make you sound like a broken radio. Winners don't cry about what they didn't get. Winners create. Oprah started with nothing. Today she has everything. She didn't say, I am poor, I will just watch cartoons forever. No. She said, I will build. Solution: say this every morning. I am responsible for my life. Write your problems on paper. Then write one solution. Then do it. Lesson 3. Comfort zone. Chakshar trap. Comfort zone is like your bed in the morning. Feels good. Feels soft. But if you stay too long, your boss will call and say, Hello? Are you alive? You want to speak English? Then speak, even if you make 100 mistakes. You want to start a business? Start, even if you fail the first 10 times. Think of a seed. If it stays under the soil, it never becomes a tree. Same with you. If you stay safe, you stay small. Solution: do one uncomfortable thing every day. Speak English in front of the mirror. Post that video. Apply for that job. Fail proudly. Fail loudly. But fail forward. Lesson 4. Later. Never. I'll do it later is the biggest lie you tell yourself. Later means never. It's like saying, I'll eat healthy. After this pizza. And this burger. And this cake. Solution: start now. Set a 10-minute timer. Whatever you want to do, just start. Don't wait. Because later becomes never, and never becomes regret. Lesson 5. Stop thinking, start doing. You want to learn swimming? You watch 50 videos, buy a swimsuit, talk to swimmers, but never jump in the pool. Guess what? You will drown in knowledge, but never swim in life. Thinking too much is like opening YouTube to watch one video. And 4 hours later you are watching how giraffes clean their ears. Solution: think for 10 minutes. Then act for 10 hours. Action: overthinking. Lesson 6. Be that guy or girl. Don't be the lazy one. Don't be the one who always complains. Be the guy who wakes up early, studies when others sleep, and eats broccoli while others eat donuts. Okay, sometimes donuts are allowed. People will doubt you. People will laugh. People will say, "You changed." Good. You are not supposed to stay the same. Even Pokemon evolve. Lesson 7. You versus you. Your biggest enemy is not your teacher, not your boss, not your phone. It's you, the lazy version of you. The one that says, "It's okay, let's sleep more." But there's also a strong version of you. The one that says, "Wake up, let's go." Which one wins? The one you feed. Solution: track your day. Every time you choose growth, celebrate. Every time you fight lazy you, clap for yourself. Slowly, the strong wolf inside you will win. Lesson 8. Willpower. Superpower. Feelings are liars. I don't feel like studying today. I don't feel like working out. If you listen to feelings, you will never grow. Solution: do the right thing even when you don't feel like it. Willpower is a muscle. Train it daily. Soon you will control your habits. Not the other way around. Lesson 9. Stop comparing someone with a better car, better house, better body, better English, and you feel sad. But remember, you are comparing your behind the scenes with their Instagram highlights. Solution: compare only with yourself. Yesterday versus today. You are your only competition. Lesson 10. Pick yourself. Stop waiting for people to clap. Stop waiting for permission. Nobody is coming to pick you. So pick yourself. J.K. Rowling got rejected 12 times. What if she waited for someone to say yes? No Harry Potter. No magic. Only sadness. Solution: start your channel, your book, your podcast. Don't wait. Pick yourself. Funny ending. My friend, let me tell you something simple. Life is short. Don't waste it. You are not a potato. You are not a chair. You are not a Netflix remote. You are a human with dreams. So wake up. Take action. Stop scrolling. Start building. And if you want more real talk, subscribe to this channel. Because here, we don't just learn English. We don't just laugh. We change life, with one bad joke at a time. Now go drink some water, and stop eating chips at midnight.